Check chat on the track, boy.
Yo, let me go in first. Yo, I got a fucking house in Gates in my name. You don't even know it. Yo, my name, the government lost it. You don't even know it. Yo, I'm the devil's son. And you don't even know it. Yo, but I don't have to motherfucking show it. Man, I'm back, I wrote it. I write it down, but not right now. I fucking freestyle right now. Yo, I'm ready to fight down. Man, I got that shit now. Yo, I'm fucking stuttering words. I'm back around, I'm cluttering thirds, cluttering thirds, cluttering thirds. That means I'm cluttering threes. I'm fucking stuttering B's. I'm fucking stuttering numbers. Rain Man G. You know who the fuck I be. You know my fucking son. I'm chilling with B. Fucking unit mine. It's little baby cakes. And we don't fuck with snakes. We're fucking freestyle. Never caught them Jakes till we busted off. Till them fucking brakes. You're going too fast. Fucking about to crash. You're about to fucking burn. You're about to fucking learn. I think it's out your turn. It's fucking about your turn. It's fucking about your time. It's all about your rhyme. Yo, I came through, dropping out the line.
Yo, it's Brian time, aka Lil Baby Cakes. I'll wrap you up, beat you up like fucking snake. I don't fuck with crazy bitches, crazy snakes. Yo, I'm not playing games, it's how I play. Yo, I'm in my place every day. Hey, what you about to say? Say, oh my god, no phrase, yes I am the man. Yo, don't even know shit fucking about me, man. I'm about to fucking have a fucking heart attack so quick, don't quick. Actually, let you drip, do crazy shit, and really make you spit. Oh my god, I'm so pissed. What the fuck is this? Always a rap so sick. Now come back so pissed. Yo, don't skip me on this track, motherfucker. Man, you wanna play me out? Holy shit, I'm on the route. Oh my god, I'm on the couch. Man, this is crazy. And yet you bitches got stable. You always fucking bitch niggas that always have them babies. Holy shit, I'm fucking sick. And you not talking shit. And you know I am so sick. Little baby fucking cakes. Holy shit, he ain't what you fucking think.
Yo, I fucking got a record deal and you don't even know it. I'm fucking best rapper in the world and you don't even know it. Everybody thinks I smoke crack, but I quit that shit, you don't even know it. I've been clean for a year now, you don't even know it. I ain't did no triple C's in a year too, you ain't even know it. You thought I was a tripping fool, but right now I'm clear, you don't even know it. You thought I was the same man, but you don't even know it. You thought I was just chilling in the basement like I got shit, you don't even know it. Yo, this fucking house is in my fucking name, dog. I came through, man, I'll slam you like a fucking pug. I don't gotta work, I don't gotta buy no shirt. It's all given to me, it's given from my work. The fucking time I did, a long time ago. I fucking worked for it in my past life, yo. A lot of fucking hate, a lot of fucking killing, a lot of blood spilling, a lot of fucking villain. But they call me the villain, they call me the bad guy. But I'm the good man, I'm just a sad guy. I really miss my son, can't wait to see him, yo. But I gotta take this bitch to court to get some child support. But she ain't gonna get from me, cause I don't got a job. So how they gonna put me in jail if I ain't got no paper log, if I ain't got no money stacked? Look at that visitation back. But I never had it, yo, cause I never signed a birth certificate. That was a mistake. But I'm about to fucking take this bitch to fucking court and then to fucking make